Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little bit of a get ready with me slash Dyson Airwrap review. I love the Airwrap. I use it every single day or every single time I wash my hair. So I've been trying to grow out my hair and I don't want a haircut anytime soon, and I haven't gotten one in a while, but because I've been applying the heat from the Dyson Airwrap, I've noticed that my hair isn't as damaged as it could have been if I just used like a regular straightener slash blow dryer. So I just decided to do this review. I know it's kind of expensive. I got mine as a gift, thankfully. So I'm very happy and very grateful that I got this as a gift. So for me, I usually wash my hair every like 3 to 4 days. So I just want to make sure that I'm not overwashing my hair. I use all Dry Bar and the Way products from Jen Atkins. So I use Dry Bar when it comes to like shampoo and conditioner, and then Way sometimes as like for texture and stuff like that. But today I'm going to be using the Prep Rally Prep and Prime Dry Bar spray, and it really helps detangle my hair as well. So it's a detangler, and it really helps. Also primes my hair for the heat, and it smells really good, so that's a plus. I usually, whenever I blow dried my hair before I got the Airwrap, it would take like 25 minutes, and then I'm just like keep going and it's still damp at the like very back because I have a full head of thick hair. So it takes me quite a while when it comes to blow drying my hair, but this literally takes like 15 minutes. And it's basically straight, dry. This really cuts my time in half when it comes to doing my hair if I want it to be straight, because usually the first day I want my hair to be straight or like a blowout type of thing. So the Airwrap comes in this big box and it's leather. It's really nice. And you open it, velvet inside. So it's really nice, has compartments for the different tools. So this is like the supersonic blow dryer, but like the mini version. It still does not replace the supersonic, but it gets the job done. And then these are the rollers to do the actual Airwrap technique. With the airflow, with the arrows going this way, it curls your hair. So it's really neat when it comes to that, but I'm not going to do that today because I don't want my hair to be curled. But it does work, so if you want me to do like a get ready with me using one of the Airwraps, it's a really fun way of doing your hair and loose big curls. And then this is just the other brush that comes with the Airwrap. And then this is like a round brush. This is my favorite thing when I want to do like a blowout look. It definitely looks like I have a blowout on. And then it comes with obviously the wand and this gray brush. So I like the gray brush the best. Ask me why, I have no idea. I just think that it works and I like it. So it has these 3 like levels of the fan. So how fast you want the fan to go, and then it has these 3 levels of heat. And like obviously the cool, and then it has on, and then it has cool. So very easy. You can always replace the head by just unlocking the top and then taking it off. I just brush out my hair, and this is every single time I wash my hair. Like I said, I don't wash my hair too often, and when I apply this heat, I don't really apply heat for like a couple of days until I want to either straighten my hair again because it's maybe gotten a little bit wavy, or if I want to curl it. I like to do my hair on the 2nd setting of the fan and the highest heat setting for now, and then I'll drop down in heat. So I'm gonna start, and it's not too loud either. So I'm gonna explain this. Comb my hair, so I'll do probably one side of my head, kind of talking you through it. So I just kind of go to the root and then I brush down, and I'm just applying the heat, and it's just like a blow dryer, and I'm just brushing my hair down using the heat. then as you saw, I was doing underneath as well. So I go above and then in between and then beneath. And then at the end, I kind of just do like a little bit of like a curl inwards. So yeah, it really helps, because one time I was getting ready on a road trip and we had 30 minutes to do hair, makeup, and I wanted to like look presentable because we were going to a nice place for dinner. So I wanted to do my hair straight, and this really came in clutch because I only spent like at the most 15 minutes on my hair, and usually it would take like 30 minutes to blow dry. Maybe it's not even that dry, and then I have to like straighten over maybe like some damp parts of my hair. So this is a lifesaver. Sometimes I find that the top layer gets dry really fast, so then I just kind of clip it back. These clips are from Amazon, very cheap, like $8 for a pack of like 20, so I can link them down below. So after that, this is completely dry, like completely, and it's very smooth. Sometimes when you blow dry your hair, it's just like all poofy and brassy feeling, and kind of tough, and it's just like there's a bunch of flyaways, and this is just dry, smooth, sleek, and it looks like I applied a straightener. I'm going to go over the top of my head one more time, and it should be done. Okay, so one side done, sleek. Literally looks like I just straightened my hair, but I just blow dried it with the Airwrap. So again, cuts my time in half. Very fast and efficient way to just apply heat to my hair without damaging it too much, because of the technology that Dyson has put into this. Honestly, this is the best hair tool that Dyson has created. I have the blow dryer as well. I got that a while ago, but the Airwrap is definitely the best. The blow dryer is just like a blow dryer. It does not apply as much heat as a normal blow dryer, but the Airwrap has different hair tools. Comes with, this is, I guess, there's two different packages when it comes to the Airwrap. So there's like 3 replacements, or there's like, I have the bigger one. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different replacements for the head. So it's really nice, and you have 8 different hair tools in one package deal. So I really think that it is worth the investment. Again, I did not buy it myself. The other Dyson hair tool that they came out with was the Dyson Corral, which is the straightener. I've never used that before, but to me, I don't think that a straightener should be like $400. I think that's a lot of money. I would love to use it. I probably would never buy it, but I'd love to use it to see what the difference is between the straightener that I have and the Dyson straightener. Again, the best hair tool that Dyson has created. I'm gonna go over this side of my hair the same exact way. have another battery, so I couldn't switch it off. But I blow dried my hair on this side the same way I did on this side, and I did that. And then what I like to do is do the second setting of heat, and then the same fan setting, which is the second setting. I just go over my hair one last time to make sure that every single strand of hair is dry and it's super sleek. So my hair is super straight and sleek. Then I take the Moneymaker Flexible Hold Hairspray by Drybar, and it looks like this. Get it from Sephora, Amazon, and I just spray the top of my head and around it, and I just kind of press it down and pull it back a little bit so it's just not too flat, but there's no like intense flyaways. That is my hair using the Dyson Airwrap. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. I really love the Dyson. I've praised it quite a bit in this video, so if you can get your hands on the Dyson, it really does cut your time in half when it comes to doing your hair straight, blowout, air wrap if you want to do the curls. So let me know if you would like to see any more tutorials when it comes to this. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, there's different ways you can do your hair. You do not have to get this device, but if you do have the funds for it and you want to splurge and treat yourself, then it is a really good hair tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you liked these videos. I do a lot of beauty, hair, makeup, get ready with me, and then a lot of lifestyle vlogs with my boyfriend and my 2 dogs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you would like to see next when it comes to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.